Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate your study abroad journey with AIFS easy tutorial step by step clearly. To start your study abroad journey with AIFS, visit their official website. Look for the study abroad section on the homepage. Select the program that interests you the most. Take note of the application deadlines and eligibility requirements. Click on Apply now to begin the application process. Fill out the online application form with your personal information. Upload any required documents, such as your academic transcript and passport copy. Review your application carefully before submitting it. Once submitted, you will receive a confirmation email from AIFS. Prepare for an interview if it is part of the selection process. After the interview, wait for your acceptance notification. Upon acceptance, follow the instructions in the email to confirm your enrollment. Make arrangements for your tuition payment and any additional fees. Start preparing for your departure by applying for a student visa. Attend any orientation sessions provided by AIFS. Stay in touch with your program advisor for any questions or updates. Now you are ready to embark on your study abroad adventure with AIFS. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.